Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update with theseasonlife.com. I just put my son August to bed. It's 8 p.m. now, and I pretty much didn't get a lot of work done because, you know, he's at that stage where he's crawling all over the place and just keeping me busy, and I couldn't get the quality time. Even when he was napping, couldn't even get the quality time to get to work. But the website is 60% done. I got my key pages on up and running, which is the resource page and the page where you opt in to download the ebook. So those are the three key core pages that I need to get done, and they're all done. And yeah, so it's about 60%. I just got to get my about page going. I got to get my blog content that I have to re-upload. What else? So my services, because I am going to be offering services, some one-on-one coaching. So if you are interested, that is coming very soon. And yeah, single moms, I do not know how you guys do it, because my wife's been out of town for just 2 days, and like this kid is already just so much to handle. And mind you, he's only like 7.5 months. I'm not complaining, you know. I still got some work done while he was asleep last night. I was able to put the core pages on, and those core pages are big because these are your recommended products. This is the resources that helps your audience grow. And this is going to be my core pages that's going to help my audience grow. So I wanted to get those pages on as quickly as possible. And it happened, you know, everything's working. Test the links, you know, shot it to a couple of friends, had them test it. So right now I have to be up super early again tomorrow, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to tweak a few things, add a few more content to it, upload this video, and yeah, grab something to eat and then hit the hay. So yeah, that's all I got for you for today. Be on the lookout for some more stuff. I think this week coming up is going to be pretty big. I got some meetings. I got to meet with a few coaches and continue to plug away at this website to get it 100% up and running. But if you are wondering, you can hop on there right now, take a look around, and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, so that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, holla at me. Till the next time, peace.